Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today I will show you best promo codes on PlayStation 5. So guys, go to Google and search for PlayStation 5 promo codes and you see these three websites, best website to find promo codes. So guys, as you can see here, I had coupon codes. You can save up to 50%, 25%, 20% and you can just click get deals from here and you see continue, click continue on this offer and from here you will redirect directly to this discounts, guys. As you can see here, just complete your purchase option and you have this also website, guys. It is simply codes. You have this is good website. You can get a promo codes and discounts, huge discount, as you can see here, guys. So guys, just click on view codes option and you will get promos codes and discount. From here you can save 10%. You can save $75 as a coupon codes. So guys, just click show codes and you will get promo codes. I hope guys this found helpful for you. Then don't forget give like and give share this video for more content and see you another video soon.